Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can schedule and check your spreadsheets record automatically. So if you are tired of manually checking and managing your spreadsheets record, then this video is for you. And here I am going to show you an automation technique which is going to schedule and check your spreadsheets record and send the data to any other application automatically. And for setting up this automation, you do not need to have any coding skill. You can just set up it by just a few clicks. So without any further ado, let's start. So I have given this name, guys, auto schedule and check spreadsheets data. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, and these are the triggers and the actions. So guys, with the help of these two things, we can set up this workflow. Trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the action is the automated response or the consequence of the trigger. In our use case, guys, uh, we want that this workflow should run at a given date and time. Let's say we want this workflow to run every week on a particular day. So we are going to schedule it first. Then after that, this workflow is going to check the data of this Airtable spreadsheet. And according to some conditions, it is going to filter out the data and then send the data to some other application. Okay, this is what we want. So here in the trigger, guys, I am using Scheduler by Pabbly. It is a feature of Pabbly Connect. Select the schedule by Pabbly here, and here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every week on a particular day. So I'm selecting days of the week option. Here I am going to select, let's say, Tuesday. I want to run this workflow every Tuesday at this time. Here let me select the time as 10:30 a.m. Okay, and here I'm clicking on save. And you can see the workflow is scheduled to run at this date and at this day every week. Okay, at this time, right? And what we want every week, we want to check the spreadsheets data. So for that to happen, I'm going to connect the spreadsheet here in this action window. Just search for Airtable and select the action event as get record, get all record. Okay, select this get all record, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API token of Airtable. You will get the personal API token by following these instructions written here. So let me just follow the instructions. This is my Airtable's base, and here is the profile icon in the top right corner. When you click on the profile icon, you will find the developer hub option right here. Click on it and this page will open up. Here, guys, you will find this create new token button on the top right. Click on it. Here you can give the name to this token that you're creating. I have given the name. Then you have to select the scopes, the data scopes. So click on add a scope button, and here you will find all these scopes. Just select them one by one like this. So guys, I have selected all the scopes except one, this one, block colon manage. No need to select this, and select all remaining. Okay, and then here it will ask to allow the access to, so click on the add a base button, and here you can find a particular base. If you want to set up this workflow for a particular base, you can select the base name, or you can just select all current and future bases option. So it will create a token for all the bases that you have. Okay, so I have selected this all current and future bases, and here I am clicking on create token, and here's how you'll get the token. Okay, so click on copy here, paste the token here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable's base. So guys, here you can see we are connected, and here started asking for the base's name and the table's name to get the data. So here when you click, it will show you the list of all the bases that you have, and then the base in which I have the data here is this named as data to send. Okay, so I'm going to select this name from this list. So here we have data to send base name. Just select it, and here you can see it started showing the table's name. So the name of my table is table 1. Select it from here, then click on save and send test request button. And here you can see we have received the response, and here we got the details from the from my base. Here you can see the phone number, the name, email, and here you can see I have this field here, need to reach out, and here is a checkbox I have created. So I can check this box or uncheck this box. And when we are checking this box and getting the data here, it will show you this 1 or 0 options. So when you check this box and this workflow executes and fetch the data, it will show you 1. If you uncheck this box, it will show you 0 here. Okay, so this will be our condition. When this is checked, okay, then only we want to run this workflow, otherwise we do not want to do anything with the data. But if the box is checked, we want the workflow to continue. So to apply this condition, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. Here we are going to apply filter. So with the help of filter by Pabbly feature, you can apply conditions here inside your workflow, and according to those conditions you can decide whether the workflow should continue or not. Okay, so here guys, our condition is that this label, the field need to reach out, shows you the value as 1. So this is the condition to run the workflow completely, otherwise stop it right here. So here you can see it is asking to select the label, select the filter type and put a value here. So guys, when you click here, the previous steps will appear like this. From the second step, you can see the data that we have received. Just select this field need to reach out label, then make the filter type equals to and put the value as 1. Okay, this means when this label shows you this value, then only continue the workflow. So click on save and send test request button, and here you can see it started showing the condition is true, because this condition is actually true. Here we have the box checked, right? So when this condition is true, we want to send the data to some other application. Here I have taken the example to add the data in Mailchimp as a new contact. So click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. Here you can connect with numerous applications to send the data anywhere. Here I am sending the data in Mailchimp as a new contact or member in the mailing list. So the action event would be a new member with custom fields or without custom fields as you want. I'm selecting with custom fields, and here let me click on connect. From here let me select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Mailchimp in the data center's name. So you'll get the data from Mailchimp's account. Here you can see guys, this is my Mailchimp account, and here in the top search bar you can see the URL, and in this URL in the starting you can see we have this us6.admin.mailchimp.com. so the thing that is present here between .admin.mailchimp.com and this HTTP address, this is called data center name. So just copy the data center and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, for the token, click on the profile icon, go to profile section. From here click on extras option, then click on API keys. Here from this page you can generate a key like this. Here you can see I have all these keys generated. Okay, now to generate a key, click on this create a key button. Here you can give a name to this key, so you can give any name as you want. So I am giving the name as, let's say, Airtable. Then click on generate key button. Here the key will be generated. Just click on copy, paste it here in the token field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Mailchimp. Right, and here it's asking for selecting the audience list. So I have only one audience list here. Let me show you the audience section. Here you can see the name of the audience is Pabbly Connect. So it is selected here, and here started asking for the email address, the tags, and all other data to be filled here to create a contact. So let me map the data from the previous steps. So to map the data, you just have to click on these fields like this, and the previous steps will appear here. And from the second step, you can map the email label. Okay, here it is asking to put a tag if you want, so you can put any tag. Here I am putting the tag, let's say Airtable. Okay, This is a tag, and here it is asking for selecting the status, so I'm selecting subscribed as the status. Here it is asking for the name, map the name. Okay, and the mobile number also I'm going to map it from the second step. Okay, now click on save and send test request button, and a new contact will be added here in the contacts list. Okay, let me click on save and send test request button, and here you can see this is the response we received, guys. Okay, let's check in our contacts list here. Let me refresh this page. And here you can see, guys, a new contact is added here with this name, test name. This is the number, this is the tag, you can see. Okay, and here you can see the email address. These are the same things I have added here, and the same things got placed here inside the contact. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to work automatically every week according to your schedule, and check the spreadsheet's data, and according to the condition that you have applied, it is going to send the data to any other place. Okay, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.